Okay, real talk. Today I'm baking a proper British split tin loaf. The tall, proud one with that dramatic line down the center. It's not just for looks. That deep slash lets the dough spring fast in the oven without tearing the sides. You get structure, volume, and that bakery-level glow-up. Here's my foolproof 2B900gHigh loaf. Ingredients: 500 grams strong white bread flour. High protein is key for the split. 300 to 320 milliliter warm water, hand warm, around 38 degrees. 7G fast-action yeast, 1 sachet, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 25 degrees softened, unsalted butter, or a tablespoon of olive oil, plus a little extra flour for dusting. Why the split? 2 reasons. First, control. I'd rather tell the dough where to open than let it explode out the side. Second, oven spring, steam, and a deep score. Let the loaf expand fast, then set into that classic ridge. Let's bake. Step 1. Mix. In a large bowl, add flour and yeast on one side, salt on the other. Keep them apart at first so the salt doesn't bully the yeast. Add butter and most of the warm water. Mix with your hand or a spoon until it's shaggy. If it's dry, drizzle in the rest of the water. Step 2. Knead 8 to 10 minutes. Lightly flour the counter. Push the dough away with the heel of your hand. Stretch, fold back, turn, repeat. It's ready when smooth, elastic, and it springs back when poked. Step 3. First rise. Bowl lightly oiled, dough in, cover with a damp tea towel or cling film. Leave somewhere warm and draft-free for 1 to 1.5 hours until doubled. Step 4. Shape for the tin, tip it out, gently knock back the air with your fingertips. Press into a rectangle about as wide as your tool or be loaf tin, fold the top third to the center, bottom third over like a letter, roll it up tight into a neat sausage, seam side down into a greased kettle bead tin. Step 5. Second prove. Cover and let it rise 30 to 45 minutes, just peaking above the rim. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 220 degrees key, 200 degrees fan, gas 7. Slide an empty roasting tray onto the bottom rack to preheat. Steam is coming. Step 6, the split and the bake. This is the moment. Dust the top with a light veil of flour for that rustic farmhouse look. With a razor or a very sharp knife, make one deep, confident cut straight down the center, about 1 to 2 centimeters deep. Don't be shy, too shallow, and it won't open. Get the tin into the oven. Quickly pour a cup of cold water into that hot tray below. Close the door. Steam gives you a thinner, crisper crust and bigger spring. Bake 30 to 35 minutes. How to tell it's done? Pop the loaf out of the tin and tap the bottom. It should sound hollow like a drum. If it's thuddy, slide it back in without the tin for 5 more minutes. Success tips: keep drafts away during rises so the dough doesn't form a dry skin. And let it cool, at least 45 minutes. I know it's brutal, but slicing too soon compresses the crumb and lets out moisture. That's your split tin loaf, tall, proud, and beautifully controlled. Flour-dusted top, bold ridge, soft crumb, crisp crust. Butter it up, jam it, or make the ultimate toast. If you bake this, drop a comment with your split pics. I want to see that spring. Happy baking!